Greetings everyone, and welcome back to the bench. Today on the bench I have this AM and FM radio Soundesign. Model 2223C. Made in Hong Kong. Well, I have 4 other videos lined up to make, but this popped up. So I figured I'd just squeak it in here. This is my brother's radio. It's not working. Let's see if I can get it going here. Oh, I thought I heard a scratchy sound. Yeah.
Bell.com. Start mountain biking.
I think it's picking up the camera. That's AM. I can hear stations, I just not getting any volume out of it. It might be dried up cap or something. See if I can get into this thing. It's broken off all the way. Looks like somebody tried to repair it before with tape. Check this out. See, the power cord was wrapped around here. See, I just melted into the plastic here. There's plasticizers they use in the vinyl power cord that keeps it flexible, and it leaches out and kind of dissolves, I guess, the plastic. So I guess I got to get this cover off. There's a screw there and tabs. At least we get a schematic. That could be helpful. So let me see if I can get the back off of this thing. Okay, we're in. Yeah, this is what Shango would call honcoidial. Very honcoidial. See how the parts are haphazardly tilted over and just like looks like a mess of a layout. It looks like we have a stacked IF going on, and have to see if we're getting signal into the volume control. Ooh, sounds like the amplifier is strong. Could be this cap right here. Okay, got it out here. Had to take the switch and the headphone jack out because it was in the way. I guess I really didn't have to take this off. This is the background for the tuning indicator. But it's just more stuff out of the way. I'll just have to pay attention to the string here so it doesn't get messed up. Hopefully I don't have to take this off. Looks like RF stuff underneath that, so we might be okay. We might be able to get access to the caps. So what I'll do here is see if I can test the caps in circuit here, see if they're any good. I enlisted the help of the JAT 501 amp here. It's running plus minus 3 volts. We don't need a lot of power, and I don't want to blow anything up. Okay, that's working. So I'm going to pass the audio signal through the capacitor in series with the speaker, and you can tell by the tone, you know, a low value cap will be tinny, and of course an open cap will be silent. So you can test caps down to maybe like 1 microfarad. Yeah, I'm not going to take all the caps out and test them. Just want to see if they're good or not, or halfway decent, so I can get this thing going. Okay, I was able to test the larger electrolytics with the meter, and they look good. I was able to test all the small ones too. This one with difficulty because it's underneath that dial, that wheel, and I was able to get audio signal through that one, through this one, but this one right here seems to be dead. So let me flip this back, and I have to do this with one hand, so it's kind of difficult. I don't know if I can do it with the camera. Dead. And was it this one? No, it was this. Yeah, that one seems okay. I'm getting signal through that. So I'll change that cap and see if that takes care of it. $61 pico. What's this thing supposed to be? What is that? 0.5? Is that what that is? Valray, whatever. Yeah, it's open. Let me find another cap. Let's see if I can put an audio signal through this. That's a 1 microfarad. I didn't have a half. It'll work though. And here is the dead one. Nothing. No signal at all. So yeah, the Lowry or Cathay. That's what it is. A Cathay brand. So how about this lovely Lelon brand? We'll pop in there. Okay, the Lelon is in. Brand new Lelon. I'd say that made a difference. Is that all I get is interference? I guess the camera's awfully noisy for it.
Jose, how much?
Okay, let me see if I can put this thing back together. Maybe check the AM alignment out. I don't really have alignment gear, but still can do a few things. Okay, I got the Honcoidial radio just about completely repaired here. Here's my hack job on the battery holder. I use this tape. I really don't have any other way to fix this. But this isn't regular packing tape. This is super heavy duty polyester backed, mil spec, super sticky adhesive. So I taped that, this end was broken completely off. Then I stuck some cardboard back to help wedge it in there. So hopefully that'll keep it together for now. So yeah, let me get the rest of it back together again, and we'll check it out. Okay, let's try this thing out here. Let's see.
Where I belong.
I moved to a different room without all the electrical noise. Can't see the dial very well.
Ministries.org. Check them out.
Watch me get a copyright match on that crap.
That is Rich.
Matt Sleep.
Hello, Whip. For Ohio's governor. The ad by former Cincinnati mayor.
Odds for failure, definitely Thibodeau, off the charts.
Up, I think. I usually do.
AM seems quiet on the top half.
Even though
I'm gonna have to adjust that, I think.
endangerment. An investigation found that the boy was playing with the gun he found in his father's bedroom.
Okay.
With the Rockies. All day.
Seem to be able to wake up AM a little more.
More than 3,000 new and
I am.
So that'll do it for the Soundesign Honcoidial AM FM radio. Brother should be happy that it's nice and loud now. Well, that's it for this. Thanks for watching.